Hello, and welcome to Elmarco. This time, I'd like to share more about our installation process and post-production support. At Elmarco, we understand our customers are professionals, and we pride ourselves on delivering professional-grade installations. Maintaining a clean, clearly marked, and safe installation environment is fundamental to our process. After the mechanical setup is complete, we conduct another round of machine testing, culminating in the site or final acceptance testing, again using the recipe of record and joint material verification agreement. During this critical phase, we also provide comprehensive training for our customers' employees, focusing on the safe and efficient operation of the equipment. Even after our team has completed installation and left the customer's facility, Elmarco's commitment doesn't end there. We remain readily available to ensure your production line continues running smoothly. Our support encompasses warranty services, spare parts, on-site support, remote diagnostics, and preventative maintenance. Beyond these services, Elmarco is always here for additional training, supporting the development of new nanofiber products, and of course, helping you expand with your next Elmarco nanofiber line.